Tips for keeping your home organized when you're on the go. Number one is for whenever you're only home for half the day. In this case for us, we're going to be home through the morning, but we're going to be gone this afternoon and early evening. So we're going ahead and doing some laundry rotation that needs to be done while nobody else is here running the hot water or anything like that. So in the dryer right now we have throw blankets. In the washer, we're fixing to wash all of the kitchen towels, pot holders, and all of that need to be washed. We do that on days where we're going to be heading out. We don't run it while we're gone, but we start it before we leave. That way we're washing towels that need to be washed in hot water while nobody is here and needs the hot water for the shower. Number two is working on projects that you may or may not have time to do normally, but because you're fixing to leave for the day, it doesn't matter if this is something that sits out and dries. So one of the things that I like to do is every now and then I like to take this to my tub and rinse this out thoroughly. This is a hamper that our towels go in. So it catches a lot of dust and just dirt in it, and because towels are sometimes slightly damp, it kind of builds up in the bottom of it. So on days when we're fixing to leave the house for the day anyways, I can rinse this with hot water and let it dry upside down in my bathroom, and then I don't have to worry about it eating up shower space while people are here because we'll be gone for the day anyways. Number three is filling water filters. Usually the first thing my kids do as soon as they come home, and sometimes honestly even me, is they want water. So if I fill the water filters before we leave, they can be filtering while we're gone, and as soon as we get back, everybody can have water to drink. Also, yes, we have 2 water filters. We actually ended up buying this one because 2021, the filters for these went out of stock for several months. So we ended up buying this because it's a different brand. So we ended up using this one. And now, honestly, with 6 people, we sometimes go through both of these, especially when we're filling canteens for travel. Number 4 is dishes. One of the things that I do whenever we're super busy and I get behind on dishes whenever we're traveling and busy and all that is I will do next priority dishes, which means that, so for tonight, I need this pot washed and it needs to be washed. So what I will do is I will move all the other dishes out of the way and focus on making sure this pot is washed first. If I have time, yes, I will do the rest of the dishes too. But that one absolutely has to be washed for tonight. So I will take it and make sure that it is done first and foremost. Then I can worry about everything else. That way other dishes aren't getting backed up as well, and we're not going off budget eating out because I forgot to wash one dish and oh no, it's dinner time and everybody's hungry.